Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have a hot cup of coffee in your hand right now. This is going to be for a new true HEPA air filter by the company Aroeve. And just like all my unboxing and review videos, top link in the description box below will be this exact same air purifier. Now I am in a full remodel, and so having pure air coming in is definitely welcome. Now the box is taped up because the company did place a gift for me in the box, an essential oil diffuser that the company does sell as well. I'll try to link this in the description box below the video as well. So let's get this guy on out of here. You got your manuals on top, nicely wrapped up for us here, and a good looking device as well. We do have a little plastic right here. Let's go ahead and get that off. Now, once again, if you're gonna have products in your home, they need to look really good. This looks modern, clean, and nice. Ventilation holes right here on the side. You have your fan coming up right here, all of your touch buttons right here, display on and off, timer button, filter reset button, air info, auto sleep, speed, and your on and off button right there. Now in the front here, we do need to pull off this, and you do have a bag around your filter, so let's go ahead and remove that bag here, and we'll put that back in right here. And that is your true HEPA filter. And then you do have a screen right here as well, a filter screen before it goes into the filter. And then that just latches right back into place right there. You do have a nice white matching cord with a nice long cord length. Okay, looking really sharp in the bedroom here. Let's go ahead and show you the different buttons right on top. So we have it plugged in. Let's go ahead and hit our on and off button as we just did. A nice color LCD screen as we can see right here. You have blue, you have your PMI 2.5 right there, your air quality info, your filter reset, once again, your timer, display on and off. So let's say you're very sensitive to light. Then you go ahead and hold that down for 3 seconds. It will kill the display right here. And then you hit it one more time and it comes right back on right here. Now it looks like it actually does turn off as well automatically. And then coming over here, again, you have your speeds. That's your second speed, third speed, as we can see with the little bars right down here. And so 1, 2, 3. And then once you click it back over to 1, it takes a few seconds to wind down to speed number 1. You have auto, you have sleep. So let's say this is sometimes the easiest thing to do. You just come in here with your timer. And as you hit your timer button, we're going 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours. I think you can probably do it, yeah, all day if you really wanted to, 0 hours, etc. So we'll let this run for about an hour here in my bedroom. Now what's really nice about the different speeds as well, if you use a sound machine, this can replace your sound machine, and it does give off air coming out of the vent here. So the air goes in through here, and then out right here as well. Now, according to the directions, you can clean the exterior filter right here, but you cannot wash the HEPA filter, so do keep that in mind. The HEPA filter has 3,000 hours of service life before you do need to replace it. And let me get a shot of the back. You actually have a laser dust sensor right here on the back of the machine as well. So once again, right now I'm in the low mode and it's very quiet. And then of course, as you go up in speeds, that's the second once again, that's the third there. So if you had this close to your bed, this would take care of your sound machine, a fan, and an air filter, as that would blow near your bed if it's a hot summer day. Okay, so the quality of the air here, again, is 2.5, and the air quality can be displayed in real time in 4 colors representing 4 states. Here is the information of that right there. And over here are the color indicators. If it's blue, it's very good. If it's green, it's good. Yellow, moderate. Red is bad. Now, if you tap the filter button, you'll actually see 100% on my HEPA filter. And that, of course, will get knocked down the more you do use it. So do keep that in mind. But first impressions, I'm liking what I'm seeing. It's a good looking device. Give me some fresh air in my room and we'll be back with you. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the diffuser here. It does have a couple end caps, as we can see right here in my hand. And then the top opens up to a refill pad right here. And then you put your essential oils, like 5 or 6 drops, right on the pad here. And then you would clip that anywhere. It doesn't have to be right in the middle if you don't want to. You could have it off to the side or over here like that. And then as the air blows through, it's going to go ahead and release those essential oils, that nice smell into the air here. I think I have some peppermint laying around the house. If not, I'll have to get my hands on some essential oil. Once again, I will try to link that in the description box below this video as well. And then it comes with some nice refill pads here as well. Alrighty folks, looking absolutely fantastic. Been enjoying the air purifier. And again, I like the noise level, especially if you are trying to sleep or whatnot. Again, raise it up, lower it down. I do love the timer function. I came in this morning, hit it for 1 hour. I was just relaxing here, pup on the bed, enjoying some nice devotion time, looking out the beautiful window at the view. Didn't bother me at all, purifying the air while I'm relaxing and reading. And it's a good looking device. Once again, top link in the description box below will be this exact same air purifier where you guys can read more about it. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Again, top link in the description box below will be your air purifier. You have a wonderful day.